Hello, today I wanted to go over a tool that we use on basically every job. This is a digital hygrometer, so it measures humidity and temperature in real time. This particular model, what I like about this, it's very rugged, it's very durable. There's not like little sensors that can be broken easily. It has a clip you can put onto your work pants or a polo shirt, something like that. Easily change out the batteries. You could just use your thumbnail and swap them out. You could find those batteries anywhere, Rite Aid, Walmart, Target. Very simple to use. Turn it on, hold the button. It gives you your humidity and your temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit in real time. Little move, help it acclimate easier. The sensors are hidden there, so like I said, they're protected. I've had this tool for about 3 years, heavy use. It's raining out here, so we have some high humidity, and it does give it real time. So this helps you reach your dew point. You figure out your temperature, humidity, and your dew point when you're drying on respiration jobs, so it's pretty essential. And also, insurance companies, they want to see daily reports of the humidity and temperature inside your drying chambers or your containments. So this is really easy. You could set it up on a stool, you could get to work, you could check in the beginning of the day, the end of the day. Another important thing to have this is to check your outputs on your dehumidifiers. So the exhaust, it's another important reading. You want to make sure that's below the dew point. So really simple to read. You could set your minimum and maximum humidity temperatures. And I've had this for about 4 years, no problem. Never seems to fail. These are relatively inexpensive. They're about $70 on Amazon right now. So something that doesn't break the bank, very effective, easy to use, and you can give to all of your technicians. Let me know what you think.